Ben's doing morning confessional here right now. It's 7 o'clock in the morning and we're going rafting.
6:45. We have one truck through, we got 3 more. There's thunder over there.
Just gotta take it easy. Fatigue at the end of the day is when bad things happen. So.
Cheers to Potts Creek. Alright. And destroying vehicles tomorrow.
Straighten it out and come right over top of it, straighten it out, go forward.
Yes. Jamie's going to Jeremy's house to see if we can borrow another life jacket.
I am.
Because the life jacket that CT brought is not going to cut it. Not going to cut it. We're actually at my house this morning. It was a good rendezvous spot for everybody to get started. Oh my God, the beast is rising.
Oh good Lord. What are y'all doing?
All right, so yeah, we had a couple beers last night. Got all the trucks set up in the yard. It's been pretty fun. I think everybody's pretty amped.
Yay.
Well, we've got an unidentified squeak and we're just trying to identify it.
I like the term unidentified squeak.
Yeah,
That's good.
This is an upgrade from, I had the 15 watt Midland and I wanted to go for a little more power, so this is the 40 watt Midland, so a lot more range.
Check, check, check.
All right, that'll work.
Spend some time on the water today. Here's the new Bison with a little morning glow here back here on the sun. Hi, Ren. Hey. Cooper's here too. Cooper's here too. Okay. No, it's gonna be a good day. We got a whole day planned on the river. We've got 2 Rocky Mountain rafts. Yeah, I mean, I think everybody's gonna be pretty safe. I've floated this section several times. John's gonna be actually guiding our other raft, so that'll be pretty interesting to see how that all works out this morning. But we're gonna send John to,
I don't know, to get biscuits.
From Tudor's Biscuits.
Tutors. I've been tooting all morning.
I'm still tooting.
Call me the tutor.
I didn't have to wake anybody up. Everybody was up when I got up. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, it's early, and I'm hungry. I'm ready for some coffee.
All right, I'm going.
Like that, like dew on the outside of this thing.
I know.
I heard that.
Heard that.
We're getting packed up, and 9 people now. Catcher's coming with us, and we're gonna float the New River today. The New River's one of the oldest rivers in the world, and gonna spend some time on the water on this adventure. We haven't done that in a while, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm super excited about Catcher going too. Let's get packed up and head out of here. We just motored down the interstate a little bit, and we're leaving 2 of the trucks here at the New River. We're gonna run shuttle with the other 2, get on the water and have a good day. And then a good high school friend of mine, Jacob, we're going to his farm and he's gonna cook some locally raised pork. It's actually from his pigs, and we're gonna have that and grill that up tonight. So it's gonna be really good, really yummy, and we're gonna have a really good time on the river today.
Oh yeah, slightly excited. It's gonna be an adventure. CT says I look like a river guide, but I've never done this before. So we'll see who's the river guide when I fall overboard. You guys stoked? Pretty exciting. That was a little bit of a shit show.
It's all right. That's how you learn how to do it.
I was like, rock.
You guys look like refugees. Lunch was good. We stopped on a fun little beach that we kind of frequent pretty often here. I mean, we don't live very far away from this. It's kind of nice to bring the team back down here to West Virginia after so many years of hanging out in New England, and the New River is the best place to be. It's August. It feels like maybe 78, 80 degrees out here, like really low humidity. The water's warm. And now we're gonna hit a fun rapid. Ledges is a series of 3 kind of shelf rapids in the river where the water just kind of drops off, and then there's a short pool, and then there's the big ledge. But the first rapid of that ledge is about 10 to 15 feet deep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna dive down, and essentially what it's gonna feel like in the raft is you're gonna disappear and you're gonna come up, you know, straight vertical. We're actually gonna put CT on the banks here so that you can see what it looks like from the side, and we'll have Logan here shoot from the boat. The third one's the biggest, okay? Find a spot to kind of eddy out on the side and just wait. And once we get CT position, we'll come back up and run it. We got a bunch of duckies behind us too.
So this is where we say goodbye to CT and hope we'll see him again.
Bye, it's good to know you. I'm more worried about you than I am about me, but. Woo! All right, guys. Later.
Okay, this is the third rapid on ledges here. It's quite a big drop. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Woo! Yeah!
What's about to happen here?
About to have some fun. Ben's about to go for a swim.
All for it, all for it. Give me some muscle, guys. All for it, all for it. All forward, all forward. Woo! Yeah, buddy. All forward, all forward. All right, good, right there. Get ready. Get ready, boys. All forward, all forward. Yeah, buddy. All forward, all forward. All forward. Get me back, get me back. Back, back. Good, hold. Forward, forward. Nice. Keep scooping in.
Yeah! That was fun.
Yeah, just keep doing that.
Good guide, man.
Good guide?
Yeah, good guide. Catcher had a good time. Just regret not bringing fishing rods.
We're actually taking out just upriver from Dunglin. Dunglin is a pretty interesting spot in American history, and so is Thurman, West Virginia. Dunglin was kind of the Las Vegas of the East in its time in the early 1900s. Fayette County on River Wright was dry. Somebody came in and bought some property on the other side of the river and built a hotel, and it just became a really good spot for people to come and spend some money and gamble. Dunglin was built in early 1900s and stood for about 30 years, and it burned to the ground. Some speculation and some rumor about what had happened, but there was a lot of money that moved through this area. This was a major epicenter for partying and gambling and just having a good time, and I think we've had a good time on the river too.
Just almost cavalry came and tore up the tracks again. It was the winter of '65. We were hungry and just barely alive. On May the 10th, Richmond fell. It was a time
great day. Now it's time for beers.
Are you ready for a beer?
Yeah, what's
God.
going on here?
What's on the menu for tonight?
Pork.
Pork.
So I have these Gloucestershire Old Spot pigs. Unfortunately, I don't have one birthing right now like previous trip.
I'm gonna go wash my balls in the creek. I'll be back.
Yeah, are you going to the creek?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go we've been washing our balls in that creek for almost 250 years. I grew up in this house. My dad's grandparents grew up here. My goal was to make it a sustainable farm. So I'm raising these pigs and also doing weddings and stuff in the barn here. I'm hoping to do some lodging stuff soon. Peters Mountain is this big mountain right here, and then you got Potts Mountain right over here, and you guys are going to be on the Potts Mountain Jeep Trail. I'm actually going to leave the keys in my truck in case anybody needs a ride somewhere or buy parts. I'm a $600 truck kind of guy, not going to lie. This truck originally is from Bruce Springsteen's hometown in New Jersey, and he bought them a new pumper truck. And so his friend John Mulhern has this farm up here in Paint Bank, and John talked Bruce into getting them to donate this to Paint Bank. But Bruce actually owned it for a little while. It disappeared. I found it over in Williamsburg, West Virginia. I'm going to turn it into a pumper truck for kegs and use it for my wedding business. Power Wagon, it's a beast. It's all original. You know, people are doing all these conversions and putting little diesel motors and stuff in it. Like, the Power Wagon is pretty badass the way it came from the factory. It belonged to a power company in Wisconsin.
And it still runs too, right?
Yeah, it runs great. It'll fire right up. It's actually pretty amazing. So, who's ready to screw up their truck on the Potts Creek Jeep Trail? Ben, where's that Land Rover? I figured it'd be a permanent fixture on Potts Mountain. Burn it out. Burn it. Is this guy hot yet? Because I think we're just going to sear them real quick on this grill, and then we're going to kind of cook them the rest of the way on that. So what this was a crown roast earlier. It's the first 8 ribs in a pork tenderloin. It's the best meat. Each one has a bone. It's kind of like a meat lollipop. So I'm going to toss it on there.
Layer it up.
Oh my god, that looks amazing.
Oh my
Throw
god.
extra rosemary on there.
Yeah. That's a brine in there?
It's just salt water. Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
And rosemary.
With the rosemary.
And then we're going to flip them. And then we're going to throw them on the scallop. Oh, I can't wait.
Ben.
Huh?
How is it?
This is the best pork I've ever had in my life.
It was really fun to do something other than drive gravel roads all day. Sitting on a raft is a really fun experience, especially when you have beer. It was just a good time. I really think I'd like to do that more and incorporate more things like that into future adventures. Tomorrow we're hitting the Potts Mountain Jeep Trail, and from what I've heard, it's pretty aggressive off-roading. Some big obstacles, some very technical driving, and I'm really excited about seeing where that takes us.
We had fun. It was awesome. Nobody died, which was great. My only expectation was adventure and, you know, doing something that I hadn't done in a while, or ever. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be interesting. So I'm really excited to see the Potts Mountain Jeep Trail. I've been off-roading for 20 plus years, driving all sorts of rigs, and I'm looking forward to the adventure of it, you know? I've said it before, and, you know, my famous quote from Yvonne Chouinard is, you know, the adventure starts when everything goes wrong.
Oh god, she's looking into my soul. Wow. Ooh, nope. So I'm not gonna lie, this shit's gonna get a little bit weird.
Brandon won't be wearing that.
That's a whole new category.
Dude, this is pretty amazing. This place is rad. Look at this.
Yeah.
And the curtains got panthers on them.
Be careful. Don't break it. Don't break it.
You break it, you buy it.
I told you this shit was gonna get weird.
a fucking story about that?
Now there's a fucking German army helmet. A leopard German army helmet with antlers.
And a leopard tank.
I get this invite to my cousin's 40th birthday. It's a masquerade ball. It's in New York City. He's a big party planner in New York. And there's this dude that gets up and he's like doing this performance, and I'm like, man, that guy is good. Like, he is like the best at all these modern songs, you know, whatever. He comes out in the crowd, he's on this other dude's shoulders, he takes that off of my head, puts it on his head, wearing it all around. Murphy Brown is there, Martha Stewart is there. I'm like, this is the highlight of this dude's career. Like, it's the most amazing thing he's ever done in his life. Find out the next day in Vogue magazine that it was Flo Rida. I had no idea. Flo Rida wore that helmet. And Gabby wore that helmet.
You know, he's welcome.
Yeah.
Cheers to Potts Creek.
All right.
And destroying vehicles tomorrow.
No. Wait, do I get one of those?
Yeah, John, here.
Yes.
I haven't sipped that.
This is going to be Logan's initiation here.
Alright, cheers, Logan.
Alright, cheers.
What's hair on his chest?
Logan, you can turn your headlamp off now.
Oh, I didn't realize that was on.
Logan, welcome to the team.
Just the two? Just you and I?
Alright.
Oh yeah, no.
Alright. Cheers.
To Chicago.
Yeah, to that.
City.
Well, that's weird.